a fireman Kwatamaklo as a sister son to be a guy, and a Professor Ike Wallace. A brass said in Mpensenpensemu bro, non kono pepepe, ye peje, and we dedicate Bodero natural that say a potential flag bearer for the new patriotic party. I know Nyame Adom and Yanin Betutrinkomo. Nyame Adom Wabeka Insa, Yanin Betutrinkomo. An engineer, a businessman, a senior engineer, formerly with highways. And the man with the 7-point agenda, or the 8 in a 10, or flag bearer we are, and or the Beba. The man who believes that even with the issue about road fund administrator, there are issues with it, and non-existence. It be a buffer Ghana for so, and that's what that position in existence. The man who believes that not just one step, and a man is successful. It depends on the number of steps I'll be taking, because in that journey of steps, the man who does not look at the waves and the storm, he believes that it is the matter of focus and determination. A do baby, as sister or do. On your perturbed, say, what come Rashibijum now or lose now saying now, what come Rashibijum crass, even the flag worship touch you, which he doesn't even believe they ever touch you. The man whose performance was a big surprise, his first attempt at the flag bearership contest in the new patriotic party. Mr. Remo, so when you huni pakrodia, can name Mampom Rashibijani? When you now won't come home. Whose attention has not been caught by the president in terms of a ministerial appointment, but believes that you don't only serve in the capacity of a minister to get the needed attention or development that you want. Yemfa energy and Syria. Any attentiveness and share. Gampa trained public administrator. Era Addai-Nimoh. Afisha Pakwa.
I think committee and fear so.
Oh, Bihubia.
Oh, yes.
I learned humility.
Sir.
A kind say Unipa as a so koso. I work from Pepe. Yeah.
Come sanity, Abrabondi, say, Obreo Masia. Yami. And nature, Bema also. And I said, Upeja one. I needed to do some checks at the highways. Yes.
And if I am a Cape Coast lecturer and I make sure or testimony and then I make trim my glasses this year. No, I'm travel. I'm so independent. When you're 99 half in the rest, on your hundreds. It was good. It was good. I needed to do that. I needed to check the records, check relationship with your colleagues and all those things. And I think one thing that came up was your diligence.
Yes.
And the love for your work.
Well.
So if you look back, senior engineer,
yes,
highway,
yeah.
What has changed? You miss it?
Well, no correct camera. Well, it can't be so no. When we say, who on him dear? We are training professionally. But
I can't say Addai-Nimoh. I'm not a teacher community. Maybe I'm not a few more. Make out say Addai-Nimoh. Or pray. Ona account some more press. MPP Amanyu Kuno. Francato for number can before. Yep.
Kwara dedi ka message ya ubi na ahwefo nyina so match ya wo. Na mama wo yakọ. Kudma wu ye no.
Yes.
Me amayi. Yes. Na nso yesi wo dwan ankwa a.
Ne nguma ko.
Enti me mama shedin.
Yes, that's
good. Na chire no me nguma de.
No problem.
Mr. Bilas. Madam wase. Yeah. No cre say wa your checks. Me kura na me nim.
Yeah.
Baby amaya adwuma. Okubisa amase.
Yeah.
Say na madwuma sitie. Say na me ni nipa nkete. Sitie. Eno ho adanse na wo edi.
Yeah.
Eno nti na mre bia ya na me ka say onyame eche wa chede a memfa ensie.
Onyame che wa chede a ensie.
Dabi. Faboa adasa. Enti baby a me meye madwuma bia. Diligence, meticulous, commitment to the highest order, because me person me achieve the highest quality in my performance. Sir, and na misubai.
Okay, so you're in the race again.
No correct.
This time,
nah, just
very hopeful.
Oh yes, ayem kunimdie. Say enyem kunimdie a, kwabna. Me say mre. mean say mahoden. Mean say sika. Mean risk it. If you say, oh, nanti omanimu 275 constituencies. She said they are coincidence. Now call risk it. Inti enyen kunimdia. Ena minim se me daye son ye daye son atenka ewo mu a mintu sa na mo ye.
Didn't you me den say meka se o ka we dey jai na enim nipa e koda danene e kwan a onyame fa so share ne ho animonyam from nowhere when you came for the first contest for the flag bearership. Yes. It is difficult dealing with you now because you always cause a surprise. And as I say, the mo base no asako bie sa no ama ase emu abeda ho kese pa. So ene ubegina MPP amanyoko no woni modembo ene omomre yoso ana say MPP for na CIO for na e to me ma. Remember details of the reason why you're here, but the bigger picture is that onyame ye wadom o ye flag bearer obegina MPP nkunimdie ne modembo the sintos na de akọ ka se machile Ghana for and areas be for pe nyembra nkomo na nkasa so ekon ye kun atia keta hye ensema Ghana for bia kafa aban sachirae ene ne expenditure afei yesika sem sede na hoden no ekona aba emabunu no bracket no 18 to 45 yeteso ankasa
no correct.
So how well na aban obegina na so no e dey akọ because you are free even the contest make as a flag bearer now. So how well are you going to campaign?
Komna bedase sena ekrobi ni Dubai nanso obi tenase eno obo pose a high desert insuo ni ha yantimintna ha be ekwan be na ebe fa so a enipa ebe ba betna ebe hia nsuo ebe hia se ebe duedue nnua bi a asase no ebe timi asom ama na gina ena omotena ase na omo plan na ye enu nti opanyina wodi Dubai so ye fe na Sheikh Al Maktoum na semo o kan ye e opotoka semo ne. Life was created simple and it is important to live it as such, unquote. Enipa abrabo eye simple eye bibi kitikiti enti no memma no manu
bebre kasi ni sa
debi nti bibi kase na say there is complexity of life. Complexity beba no just offer simplicity.
It's a complexity beba
just offer
simplicity.
Yes. Onam simplicity man sana and normal complex. Nti ansa na kwesi broni ye se wo komun so no. O sha se kan se ne mame nko be 1 meter.
Kakra
2 meters.
Afi o kono emu ye din.
Aha, and otime de coin. Jamaica man na besisu ne. Ye your man about 30 million people. E japade onyame de amaye. Se ye nsua se ye beye ye normal kitten na afi ababa ye kese na ese epese ye ni nyina kese ba boom enyeye onyame kora bo soro ne asase no wa manfrasa
na toto
na abibifo no Ghana fo e ka ho no mpempi no ye mpese ye be fa kwanya emuda ho ko se bi emuda ho a
ewa
keta asese ntimi mmab emuda ho a favoritism ntimi mmab emuda ho a yemia we ntimi mmab nti saade a yentwa ne kona
ye kate connections
ye no let's say amana ye complex na ye huhu nenso nka amamu oti se kwabna wo ne wo yere ne o matifie
amamu no
yes so wo ne o yere ma antifie a so so di o mo so wo na yo
mo na president o
bo so me wo je 1000 na 1000 na wo je no wo di mu 400 ama yere se onfa bi no aduane anopa awie anwumre no onfa bi ntua o ma school fees 600 na kan de hye wo botom eduru anwumre anu akra ne se wo fa fikyire aba wo beba no na so ate ade eche wo beba na so ate da ko ti wa no aka jo se bema 400 no de enye adwumo enso ntu bebe fi obebu sanse na akoso ya maduane o se waduane ni mfikyire ho nti afie be to so se ene 600 no ma min se enyi be 400 emfa nka akoso ya ho na won keep 200 no. That is the management. Nti oba oman ni muso a oman ni ejapade ni ade nti na yenye ye normal simple o kan bibi fa ka jase se ho o kan bibi fa ni eni daso a enie 18 to 45 obi a peso hu se abraba me bo no emu da ho manim da ho no mo nse minuru ha metimi ayese na ankoyi a ekone se enu nti aban biara wa this de kese da wanim ne se obema otimamufo enya enije. The basic function of every government is to achieve happiness for the citizens. Setimamufo anenya na ne aban na enye se ni mfaso kwa na enwie peyo nti wo se enije ebatimamufo setimamufo anije a wo kra aban no aban mu mpanimfo no na mo asomo atomo ene ya oman yi eka amene yi a ho kire ewo hoi me wa resem se asoafo kra no omunni omo asombi obeda sorry anopa no nan na ya sakiu ofi obi ebe petchop money dey ufri efie nkoduru office na another queue ho menim sasa na bi ekoso minko hu bi
sa na ekoso
enti aba ne sa mo asoafo no kra no wani wasumunto bese ketima mufo emu da ho ne obi anigi a ye sorry for 5 am aba ofi abeyede obi ama ho office kra obi ama no onya ho na so otimi ayi wadwuma no onya mre a ososo obetim dey arrest any of family entimi ayi nenso se ahokyere wo ho dia timamufo dia ahokyere ni nyina beba be hwemo eno wo minister no ebema wo stress enti kwabena mpempenso ayaba beduro no yesi yebetimi aye yebetimi adane ani omani sikasem nyina eka no wo ho nanso yempe kwan a ye nyina no yebefwa ama eka no ya bre na se samre nyemra aye kohwe na hu kosam okokohwe na hu kosam pe
yenwie da
bi na ahokyere no da so ho tibi de mesere se ye nyina no yemu ase de hye ye kon no yebebre na se ebre na se na ye ho haria afi ni abefi ni abebi se na ho anema ne baaye wa ma ne baaye wasotwe eni ne
o peso ye franka tuni ema MPP amanyuko no esi ahenefo no de nkomo na ne omobo
kwamre esi ahenefo no de me no mbo nkomo pi se wa winim o can surprise Addai-Nimoh surprise my first surprise 2008 ewo mampon parliamentary primaries
because on kase ni atem we boko onam boko but you always make an impact.
Yes, Kamra. Yewra kofo say nsuo hye emfa nipa eye nsuo nyunu ende fa nipa sabi yeti hay eye nkita hodi eye kasa ne kasa e wo se minya omu abreshemu e wo se wonso nya memu abreshemu. So you must deal with people with justice, with mercy, with honesty.
Justice, mercy, honesty.
Into me krata na me kan last week Wednesday and then na watch no. O kan ya obo hu say me reference to justice, mercy, honesty. Enipa bi anim say woni ni bedi e won ne pepepe yo so a na dwere mo da ho. Onim say wo abadaye. Wo abadaye bibi kwache okra no a wo abadaye. Ni trimo da ho. Onim say wo de no kre eye adwuma ni trimo da ho. Eno nti MPP delegates here me aso me grassroots man. Sabe kwa me so mabremu
papa
mabrem
papa
ya ngoma antusie so na me so me masie ne tintin hurahura me yo wo sie ne tintin ye hia me fro atraw Adom akyɛde me so de nyame de ma me no kwan a me fa so edidi dɔm anim enu di dɔm anim a hwɛ sɛ obɛma ɔmo akwankyerɛ pa hwɛ sɛ obɛma ɔmo nkranhyɛ hwɛ sɛ ɔmo yie die ɛho behia nti grassroots across the country obi wɔ hɔ koraa wɔhyɛ n'ekura bi ase koraa ne kuro kitikiti bi nso ɔne mɛkasa ɔbɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɔno a wɔsɛ ne kɔ so ha sɛ ne kɔ so ha asomasi aba ha ɔsisi asomasi so ate ase nti yɛdi nkɔmɔ ɛna menye obi a mede me ho sie enipa opɛ sɛ ohun me a ofrɛ me a wobɛhu me mɛma ha saa ne nipa tie hwɛ kwabena opɛ sɛ wodi dɔm anim a wobɛyɛ dɛ na ade ho aka me wɔ mo I mean protection from your followers but opɛ sɛ ɔ isolate wɔ ho and still be their leader and you're possible so they want to have a feel of you on person munya ho atenka yehu ene said the adwuma ye ne enuano ma na ye nti ye ma no kwa ye communities mo ba mo mra na yenso yemfa ye hu twetwure mo kakra ne yentwe carrot omo ka na nigie so the American system ne say udi domo animu a onfa ho nsie ma wo mu hu kasa kyerɛ wo emu aye din no kra no mo nti ase no mbeti ase enti be grassroots for kasa across the 275 constituencies I want to maybe ban because we were coordinators me wo meeting nanso unwure mu awu enti ye the submarine
ana yedwuma I want to maybe ban if say nei obehwe na ye nsentwerofo no party fo bi no mo enipa bi no mo so mo sese abato ho nkomo obehwe na mo ba ekuku dambe nkono na ekosi ni patriotic party francato fo yi no ehwe mu dia asumesi ne obentin ayi we ni we kofini ama omo no mudi omo gina brane omo maka ne de bigiri se sansem no watititi bia ebere etise mu no o kandifo ben pa na ogidi se party ni be yi a ebeboa ama party ne including get be peyo
kwamra makasa aseme party ni hia nim foforo
ohia anim foforo
yes a new face a fresh face our the fresh appeal at the beba unse nipa ho fro nipa
ni obi tinacha edi bia na afia edi
no enti obeka se ya brew unse wo kasa bisa o kaka o ya
brew
we dia kono obi so
emra
yewura kufu ado na the year 2000 so mbeka ya ni so ododo rally back o je microphone no so mu mokwa aba keke ndc for monko na ebimra enti ebi eduru MPP so internal elections the American say enam say enipa ehofuru nipa nti o tena so be ye mfie nwotwe ni wie a amanfo se yetie o yehu edi adibie ade na nkoje wa home na afoforo so emma ne yenhwe bo mo so de on betimi eno nti na megina so say MPP hia ni foforo na menyina so ni me metu esia metu mira kyeresi esie ni 2000 yewra atamils no a sitting vice president NDC 8 years with Rollins or your NDC candidate and so ntimi am break 8 olusui 2008 Nana Akufo-Addo yewra Akufo-Addo no a minister in Kufuor's administration be a MPP candidate went to me and break 8 2016 yewra John Mahama no a sitting president after NDC 8 years went to me and break 8 enti I was say kire yen MPP for ne say
it's so na ekona
sa enti yenso ye fa obi a o wa ban ni mu wakwa aban ni mu a e kire say yentimi break 8 no enti se betimi break 8
a new face
on ni aban ni mu
account 7-point agenda no 18 the odi ate e be this 8 no ko ba eka 7 no
7-point policy no there and yes me can who say looking for to break the 8 there yehia a new face and no dey mistaking or me address anymore and sana me 7-point development policy for the country no so ewo ho
who can't new face no ebi no argument be say ene ikura biri ni ho party na akura no mo nhihye mu no even though biri wo mafa se mbo yi franka tuni no se ye nyi obi a enna kodwa so a na se wane ne mu ame atini dia hu ni mfo nyina da ben ni ebenya sika ne yatima ko ye nkura ase ne ye potem ne kona bia ne geto bia ne yatima aton ni pa yi aton na nimi yi aton na asem yi mani pa hu ni pa oye se on na edi ni patriotic party sa ehunu so konkon e kire ho sa mpa ebia de o kan pa o bia be bi hwa abakosem kro so a se ye pese ye breki sa nwotwe nko ade a abakosem kire se ese the status quo no but ehunu so ne se sikasem ebre ni ho onipa no ba na fe ne ye beton and all do what be the way now
kamera amen ka sem we popularity ye ton obi etimi de banche foforo badwa so enimite
e betia fa bia
asa
the papa yenti
sanity sa enunti ye beton flag bearer no a ejina yen party man so yen party man so no polling station bia ye were executives 5 ewo ho enti ade na muntimi nton ade a wo se ton emagana for eto ade paso ne ton ne ho ade paso wo ho a ne ton no enye tona ye no kra enye atufo ebuo edi bae na ekokra
e mabo no kra sa ye de mo e so di pato
ebeto
go munim de wom
sanity
enti no
ma obia enye ni hu because new appeal na eba no so no any kasa no a eba no to amanfo akoma so no kasa ba ku mienu miensa amanfo se ye wogide ye wie
obeka ne sen na be ya no sense you Addai-Nimoh ono mampo kroko ye ono de bi de mi se na onko pe be ntina okosa akuye so okọ mampo kra no ye cream na hwefom na MP kra na o ya se cream yi na obepe frank di se ansem no se bi be fa opno so ya ti o se
mampo so ato aba ma me be mra hye bedwani mfie nwotwe
sa mampo na
sa enti won se de mikro ne sitie mikro fo no amu ato aba agi midi emra na omunni mikra no eyie no ebeye mra hye bedwani mfie nwotwe na de make ne se akwantu obi a wutu a enkunimdie wo mu no onfa ne totin yewura kofo okọ no wahwe ase finally nkunimdie bai atamels okọ no wahwe ase onya nkunimdie nanado okọ no wahwe ase onya nkunimdie Barack Obama first time okọ competitive election no in the state of Illinois okọ iwulusu akwanya ne ba say okọ contest for the Senate of the United States odi nkunim okọ ye ni 2 years later no or running for the leadership of the Democratic Party. Mo Barack Obama story. First attempt it was state of Illinois where di nkunim for the whole of United States Senate elections from Illinois no di nkunim okọ in 2 years ni potential a manfo hu se ewo ni mo no after 2 years as a senator he was running for the presidency of the United States enunti akwantu obia no betimi akofom no wasan peja empanufo na kan se obekoto a obehwiraje se okoto wankoto a wuntimi hwire okoto wi ano apeja ahoden no enti mikromfo eto aba maame beye mrase bewieni mfie nwotwe ena o man san to aba maame enya nwanwa ne nyina ye part of the success story to be told na ye complete e dia mamanfo
ba wo hwe enipa ye ya titru party fo a ebi do party na to a fault ye ka se he yenko on hwe se yenko no kwa no gata da ho amana bi da ho ye se party aka se yenko no kwa de grrr odi so a wo kosa hu se party na nkasa nhyehyɛ no ayi ni ho ama obi dada baby out no hu hwe sa
da bi enyi ne ho na kwamna minsan kansi so so mo a mo nsam kyerɛfo ye mo a na mo de nsɛmsɛm no bawo aba ye betue yenya mie yo empokra na bia wo mo a mo dwene sɛ
ombe akadi
ombe obi o mo kura mo nya akokoduro en contest ena mekan wo fidie so bedwam ena ye da be
na 8 February
bosomi mienu ne de to so much obi a bia mbedwen sɛ
okobi
afire beduru ho ni bibie nomination na ohwe
sɛ de no masi
kono ase atem ho ase we dia me nya nko me kotwan ɛwɔ ho contest na de nim no kwabena enough for mu delegates of over 200,000 around 208,000
fakese na so form
ɛwɔ form ubedi nkunim a uhia 50 over 50% 50% plus 1 nti ubehia over 100,000 votes na otimi edi nkunim enough form die ye ma na ekufu ado 2014 no samre no na party no opposition na conditions e prevailing no enye the same conditions and e prevailing sa ena the party man ye ma na ekufu ado no enye automatically transferable.
That one is not transferable
at all to any person. Enti wa wo ba race ni mu no. Wa wo de wa nkasa wa ho oden. Eni wa se de wunyina so. Ena o de ba. Te se me Addai-Nimoh meti hai. Me ama ho oden ni me nyina so. Ena me de etuma na mo. Enti no ensachiraye anansonsonoye ewo. Wuhia over 100,000 votes to win. Now yabatwe ebeye mo wa say ebekọ run off.
No me the
party constitution.
No the ebeka about to say ebeye dey me do chim. It's why you be paying.
Yes.
It's me do din come be careful about the questions I'm about.
No correct.
If you who say run off bebem
likely. Contest na mu ohun. Delegates na twan yo. Baby away mo part of Ayawaso Central Constituency. Delegates I'm sure some over 1,000.
1,004, 1,000 or so.
Yes, delegates. And yeah, easy so benyamu 200, 300, 400, 500, 600.
Enough for.
And na se say no mu nyina so ate. Obi atwan, wan na eba ni ma ba be kasa.
Oh, you ntimi fa phone kan me na friend me go man go me press me ye ntino mo hwe na bibia nko kama because me ntimi ma me ni nyina nti.
Okọ mo ho a wo mo se ehu bi penti e na abo aserewa.
Oji ne ba. No yi nani.
O hwe. Wo mo adika ye bi. Na samre, ono o mo gaza o se ye twen mo mra.
Did the expectations that go baby ah.
Come na o pe vote. Na won ntimi nko 275 constituency na won ntimi nko nipa ne ho nko sere ni vote. Na emum onto ma no otuma wi obede wohu e wo hen fa no.
Technology dey adwuma.
Come ebia abrofu no mu nchen na technology na oba bibi memu ha dia eya mu ntie kasai yenim no yenim no hwe wate woni onimudi wo pa wuni padua no ahwe also hu ni padua.
So you are ready to go to 275?
Absolutely. Because come the American say obiti lipe obiti ose kodokro obiti kulungugu obiti elubo obiti napanduri obiti goso mese onto abamame mentimi enya kokodro enya pepa no anko nipa ne nanso ne nanke kasa amana ankari mi anhwehwe enhumisu ene meban se mese efata na metimi aye na onkoto aba ne mamenwie na ode ne kokuru tie ne mame a ehefa na obeba be hume enti me de menua no mu a wo musi ye bepre ni nyina no ye adwuma kese ene dawo na me 2014 no me famu bi na mentimi anko all the 275 na mmere ni sa 2014 no the whole of upper region all the 15 constituencies mekoi Ashanti region out of 47 constituencies no mekomu 23 constituency by constituency by constituency engaging delegates ewo ho no onye krado a mema agro no
no enya agro na wodi no
oh yes onye krado a mema agro no mu wo hia the physical fitness, mental fitness, the moral fitness, and the experience. Enti obi a obefa said the eye man na ado no obetimi a benefit from the eye man na ado a na nya no kre. Enti na meka say mon semtwerefo no ni posters na mo na yekoye Mpensenpensemu yesi we ni we omunyai. It is an open contest. Na yede na me de me ko bi a me toso. 2014. That time there is the same size of delegates. Yeah, the same size of delegates. Call first stage of the special electoral college election. And sana call the main election. Enti no delegates no ho. Omu constituencies. Fine, obetimi a radio, I mean, no media. The traditional media, social media. Nanso nipa no ka cho say, "Ora, minimu no, mihu no, omba ha."
Oti ho na o kraka de.
Ukofom a na obehu. Na sabi, obi ti ne krom ketewa bi na watimi abo apinchen no. Na ne na kekasa. Na wa to na koma so a. Ada obeto aba no. Ebeye din se kokromotie no, ode be kame o. Ode be ma. Intermediate my crowd for the 275 constituencies. Because a Juma na me say meye no. Me wo ho passion atenka no. Eno nti na me tu sa na mo. Se me nim sa no a. Kwamna ka me ha me nti na me ka se nyenkunimdi a ene matenka wo mpanini mu a. Se me ha me ho.
So you are so ready.
More than that.
Congress we call conference and we are ready.
We are ready. Ye be nomination na me fa me for. Eya ne binu wo ho na Addai-Nimoh is in the race obitimi for are you in the race na mabuza ni pan say na if Addai-Nimoh is not in the race who can be in the race no kra no me fancy nya nhase de ye nyina ye expression
so
interest oh meba meko sort ya say na nhihye ni nya ba na ye say ne ye bie nomination filing fee ye say okofa krata na otintin ewie a na de hu sika no epi so na de koma general secretary
ko na why bema
afi no why bema no be a major stakeholder in the process enti komna adwuma kese na mesere mo nsamtwerefo no say flag bearer contest here there in NPP animo no munya ho abotre me fa mo afidie so ma mo show bias predictions ni bi no mo ye
enye papa
me se ni eminim no enyina ye na mfom enye awose okofom na ne amanfo kasa ena eye bidwin se eyi sika na omo wo ho a wo mo hwehwe
ebi no madwene ni se eyi sika
de hia ye kase ye wan kasa no your acceptability to them. Se ombeji atum se asumesi or se fata no betimi aye. Enti yemfa yeni enhwe no.
So it cannot be sika all the time.
No dear, wakushia obi na se o. Enam se me frɛ wo se kwamna kwa okrom no.
Afu Kenyase. Afu.
Kenyase. Ho ye Sutifi North.
Exactly.
Enti ebia me kwa Sutifi North, me koshia omo nyina wo Kenyase. Bo obi firi ne ekuro kitwa
ba na
aba Kenyase. Ti me se enam se me frɛ oba ye no. O lorry fare enie. Na watimi de akọ. Eno nye sika ekosi sana na dwen.
No no so yet Addai-Nimoh chitafo a omo ye delegates a ye tata omo onnim na otwu ti se on Addai-Nimoh na ekọ. Obehu de ebeyo. Danko for
o munyai sa obi a wo hunu na obi a no onyai me ya ka kire yen omomo ye campaign man say obi anyina if say obi a 1 vote national chairman area 17 the vote ye baako polling station youth organizer the vote ye baako wuntumi the vote ye baako all the regional chairman obi a vote ye baako general secretary vote ye baako enu nti abato we mayemma ehunehuna mem so we DC ya menko hunehuna delegates wo mpeso aso we constituency chairman menhunehuna wo mo we regional chairman menhunehuna wo yemma delegates no polling station for ni in particular any electoral area coordinators no enye free na wo munyi de wo munim se ombeton no ama party no a break it come now ultimately no your both I say per se you could beyond 8 years near 12 need to be 16 years na ye beka say MP o my Ghana amanyo same no MPP tradition no ye need the first party ye timi tra 8 years call 12 equal 16 and sana enuanum NDC for class ebebo homo modern a
okay, so yebeba enkomo no so say era Addai-Nimoh and yene ne twetwe enkomo wa dey go try how many back aba yeba over 7 point bi wo ha as say otimi breaking it down say brema okoya na ya hwe say waje the blessings of His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and why am back on sir journey we are and other matters be beba up in the conversation your conversation here running through the text messages, I'm more describing a calm nature. All about Addai-Nimoh is a fine gentleman. All the text messages, fine gentleman, fine gentleman. I am not God. I am not to be God, a nation or what, but obvious. The delegates have already made their choice. Hence, I respectfully implore him to liaise with any of much bigger camps, work with them. And I make as only my Addai-Nimoh. Unim require text to you from because all the while you're careful about the camp. I'm telling you, I've had that personal experience. It's dangerous. And so unim na, the men who's own person, but some men because oh man opportunity the pet. Obe one on every pepe now did it. I want to be the lead spokesperson for the campaign. I'm telling you. Don't. Those guys are growing from, you know. So what's the 7-point agenda? No?
Okay. Now she said na metu menum tu. Enti me de normal son to ja. The edi kan any pasitrem edidi. So hono. Enti agriculture and food security.
Agric and food security.
Yes. There was say ye kuayo. Ye beshem kena. Na ya ankasa yatimi adua de ebedie ni de ebehia ebedie carbohydrate protein vitamins or
public
minerals.
Administrator, civil engineer, now a dietitian.
Sure. Enonti agric and food security ehun hia ye. Si yatimi ye ni reduce ye import on food items. A save foreign exchange. Into a GDP equation, no export minus import, no you be positive figure.
But me check your background, so economics, no, they say O level now, we difficult craft fast. Maybe I want to fade away. Nipa bi mu kasa bi wase o afi abato no de oboa yen kontabu abato sikasa mo hye iti me ye na me say ene wa hwe ya ye de be wi wo
kamna me O level economics na mbo me homodin economics kwa no me ye no O level no na nya me major na me a science student.
Science?
Yeah, intermediate economics can we 9 subjects. Maths, add maths and elective maths, physics, chemistry, biology, agric science, geography, economics, English.
No be PA. And that's another story.
Yes.
So food security and Greek.
Yes.
Then what again?
What did you hear? When he say, "Wapum de ebe
Health.
Health." And who are healthy citizen rare, and the more mind so ekoso. Now, me believe in prevention is better than to cure. I believe in preventive medicine. Nti bibi ti say malaria. Yare no kwan be ni betimi esi ano kwan. Nti sika ye de be import malaria drugs ni sa no.
Yeah, that can go.
Millions of dollars.
You solve a problem.
You solve a problem. So you prevent it rather than to cure. Who apom din so a uhia nim de education. Into education so and a tool for development. There was a mine ya disua ehu hia ye. Ya gi atum say ye pese ye mofra nyina timi ko school to senior high school level. And sana obeko tertiary, obeko vocational, obeko here fine. Into senior high school policy no na sustainability no. The basis kasem no na edin a was see any Ghana for kasa. Said the Iraq and for that time be okay say so no betimi atua ne ba school fees a ye ma ne kwan no ntua na di wontimi ntua no ne ahwe into the funding for the free senior high school policy no ye behwe said the be ya e be ma the quality of the education no and so young compromise na afi technical vocational TVET and skills.
Fantastic. So be a guaranteed who exit here.
Yes, also nya bibi. Now because developed countries, you know, say bibi to say Germany or even Japan.
Yeah.
Japan after World War II, Hiroshima blasted, Nagasaki, omo economy, but no more sanu no. Omo tete omo dem no more ye. And then they are built there with the Toyotas, Nissans. Any the Hondas.
And we are lacking that too.
Yes.
You pay attention.
But that is the group who hold the economy no pa kese. So no. Obi oye inside. He said who kas will be a perjuma, I me perjuma me sorry anopa. Me be mama botai, me oba so ma she me skirt and blouse, so ma me bag asem me ho no. Ka na makotena na matitable near the then. But informal sector, a lot of things. I call services be into education. When your education area so no. Training say and say any adwuma no. Indeed. Into employment and entrepreneurship. That's the fourth policy. There also be at me adwuma. So we are ma ho. We are mo bi adwuma and now we are aban adwuma. Sa no ma miensa. Ya adwuma awie no. Ehia se o man no musoso no. Ya sitinem, ye movement. Ye infrastructure. Ye enhance ni improve no. Into our roads, our railway, our telecommunication, our energy, our housing, our water systems. And na di ba ko pa kwabra maintenance of public infrastructure.
And the Iraqi.
Besides maintenance of public infrastructure, abandoned public projects be investment nya home for so or mine monodos. Nya kwanya no for 8 years you be work is be complete all those projects. I was so ban for so no mine no. Anya sa dia na sika ekohihye mu ni nyina no.
Home for so
they say. So all abandoned projects I was here completing the maintenance of all public infrastructure. You see the fair a bedroom maybe. You share a baby to say International Conference Center. Meaning how the state of affairs it is. Even National Theatre. So I was saying to me maintaining we keep the standards in place. So enhance public infrastructure. We are no free the sixth one. Improving our public service delivery.
So Sakoba because Hong Kong.
Yes.
A Casamuon.
Bebre.
Hong Kong.
Honomono. And no na Oshami Nguma Mitintim Yenwa. Former American President Mr. Woodrow Wilson. On develop the principles of the science of public administration. Principles of the science of public administration. In the public administration service delivery, no, I was say results oriented, market oriented. Oh, yet to send for so emraso and famobia. Effectiveness and efficiency. And yes, a million biara. And will be a master study public administration to be the combining with my physical science engineering. No, ocean no manu. Physical science engineering, because 1 + 1 is 2. But in public administration, okay, 1 + 1 may be 2. May not the Abahono said there is a human factor bishop. Into be a bit me at so by 0.05 and I be caught by 0.05 above. Then it should help you in the decision making. Then the seventh will be accountability. Scrutiny. Papa. Yes. Because you say if should be no money, your resources will be brave. It be or waste, you know. It could be deliberate, it could be unintentional. But there was see no kind, near minimize it. The issue of corruption,
always good to talk to you. Bring Tifacha me bad meaning.
The last point in it.
What do you ate?
Mr. Mediate.
A higher Yabekano. I wish you well.
Thank you.
In this journey.
Thank you.
Beginning and ambition when at all time.
Amen.
But that's also Jibril shape. Here are Addai-Nimoh Yadanase. Also Yadawasi. Now me Adoma. Echina is another day. Yako.